southern Union County, Ohio, northeastern Madison County, until 4:45 p.m. 4:21 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Mechanicsburg, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Marysville, Plain City, Mechanicsburg, New California, Milford Center, Woodstock, Unionville Center, Cable, Amity, Rosedale, State Route 4 and State Route 161, Chuckery, and take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.